Hi guys, so today we are exploring the vibrant flavors of Sindh with our truly special and aromatic dish, Sindhi Biryani. Sindhi Biryani is known for its tangy and spicy flavor profile. With a generous use of green chilies, dried plums, which is also known as aloo bukhara, and a unique blend of aromatic spices, we'll be creating a dish that's both hearty and incredibly flavorful, capturing the essence of Sindhi cuisine. Get ready for a burst of bold flavors. This recipe is perfect for those who love a bit of spice and tang in their biryani. I'll guide you through every step from marinating the meat to achieving that perfect balance of flavors in this iconic dish. So gather your ingredients and prepare a flavorful adventure. And let's create a Sindhi biryani that will tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious and authentic recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a pan, keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 12 black peppercorns, 8 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 30 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 70% cooked. So the rice is cooked 70% now. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 onions sliced and fry it until the onion is nice and brown. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add 600 grams chicken cut in medium pieces and fry the chicken for about 5 minutes. Then add some salt to taste. Add 10 black peppercorns, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 6 cloves, 5 green cardamom, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 stock cube and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, and then fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the chicken. Then add half cup yogurt, 5 green chilies whole, 3 tomatoes chopped. Add 6 aloo bukhara or dried plums roughly cut. Add some chopped mint leaves, some chopped coriander leaves, and then give it a nice mix. Then add half cup water and cover it and cook for about 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the gravy is nice and semi-thick now. Add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. And cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the gravy is nice and thick. Then simply remove half of the chicken mix in a separate plate. Then add the cooked rice. Add just half of the rice and simply spread it nicely. Then simply add the remaining chicken. Add 3 boiled potatoes cut in cubes. Also add some fried onion and add the remaining rice. And simply spread it nicely. Then add some chopped coriander leaves. Add half tablespoon yellow food coloring, 4 tablespoon oil. Add some fried onion. Add half tablespoon lemon juice. Cover it and cook it on a low flame until the rice is fully cooked. So the Sindhi biryani is ready. And there you have it guys, a truly flavorful and vibrant Sindhi biryani. I hope you enjoyed experiencing this taste of Sindh with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I hope you and your loved ones enjoy this Sindhi biryani as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. It's a dish that's truly represents the rich culinary heritage of Sindh. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this flavorful experience. The aroma, the flavors, the spice, this is the magic of Sindhi biryani. I hope you will recreate this taste of Sindh in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.